Hello friends.
So today we're making Resin jewelry from a Resin jewelry making kit. First, it says here that you will need to prepare the work area. So we prepared it with plastic. Next, because resin grips are very hard to clean. Next, you have to wear rubber or plastic gloves. We're wearing plastic and safety goggles. You have to work in a well-ventilated area. And we're outside, so that's good. So next, we will have to prepare the resin. Over here, we prepared the resin and the catalyst. A is resin, and we put it in hot water. And B is catalyst. We also put it in hot water. So next, it says, mix the resin and catalyst up. So we will take 2 of these, and I will have to put 5 ml in each, because, yeah. So first I'm trying not to get any of the hot water. Okay, there. Let's put, this is the resin. Okay, 5 ml. Let's go.
Put 5 ml.
This is 5 ml.
Okay.
So we're going to put this out for now, and I will close the lid. Okay, so over here, I'll have to close the lid. Next, we need to prepare the catalyst. And, okay, can you give me the thing?
Oops. Okay.
Okay, good. So put the ml aside. Wait, can you move your finger? Okay, so.
Then.
Here, I got it. Okay. So, 5 ml. Let's put it in. Is that 5? Yeah, that's 5 ml.
Okay.
We will put it in now.
Now we need to
mix it.
in this one.
Hey, do you want to grab a steering stick?
Okay.
And you can mix, okay?
Okay. Pour them in.
Pour it in first.
You can pour them both in.
Yeah, okay. Okay, Sean. Now, do your magic. Oh no.
Hmm.
You see a little more? Can you move? Okay. Okay, there.
Stilling.
Yeah. Now it says that we have to mold it, pour the mixed solution. So I decided I wanted this one. So next we will take this and pour a layer of it in here. Let's see. Not a lot, just a little. Okay. Next, we will have to remove all the air bubbles. There we go. Okay, next we have to remove all the air bubbles. So I'm gonna take this and slowly stir it up so that all the air bubbles will come up and pop. Yeah, so we're good. Next, we will have to. Okay, so next we will have to add the glitter. The amazing glitter. So I wanted to add this one. I'm going to add just a little.
You can use a spoon.
Yeah, actually I want a spoon. Thanks.
Welcome.
Let's see. I'm gonna put a little like here.
Okay. Oops.
Uh-oh. Don't worry. Don't worry. We'll clean this up later. Okay, so we are almost done. So there, I have added my glitter. Okay, now we will have to take a spoon and flatten it. There. Next, we have to add the rest. There, pull it in. Yeah. So now, guys, we are done, and this will take a few hours to like form properly. So we will show you guys in the next video. Stay tuned. Bye.